The spread of Islam in the Balkan region represents a profound historical transformation. This process, primarily driven by the expansion of the Ottoman Empire, reshaped the demographic and cultural landscape of southeastern Europe. Its origins trace back to the 14th century, intensifying significantly into the 15th century and beyond. Understanding this historical phenomenon requires acknowledging its inherent complexity. The Islamization of the Balkans was not a singular event, but rather a multifaceted and often gradual process. It involved a blend of voluntary conversions and strategic adaptations, rather than widespread immediate compulsion. This intricate transformation was shaped by a confluence of powerful factors. Political influences played a decisive role in establishing the conditions for Islam's dissemination. Economic considerations offered tangible benefits and incentives for conversion. Social dynamics fostered integration and upward mobility within the new imperial structure. Furthermore, various religious appeals resonated with different segments of the population, contributing to the overall shift. Together, these elements created a unique historical trajectory for the region. The Ottoman conquest and subsequent administrative framework were absolutely crucial to the spread of Islam in the Balkans. The establishment of Islamic rule provided the foundational structure through which the new faith could disseminate. This imperial presence created an environment conducive to both the introduction and the eventual adoption of Islam. Key regions fell under Ottoman control at different times, each experiencing unique patterns of Islamization. Bosnia, for instance, was fully conquered in 1463, marking a significant turning point for its population. Albania, though resisting fiercely, gradually came under Ottoman dominion from the late 14th century onwards. The Ottoman administrative system, characterized by its efficiency and centralized authority, played a vital role. It introduced new legal structures, land tenure systems, and urban centers that reflected Islamic principles. This framework not only governed, but also subtly influenced the religious landscape of the conquered territories. The establishment of mosques, madrasas, and dervish lodges further solidified the presence of Islam. These institutions served as centers of learning, worship, and community life, gradually integrating Islamic practices into the daily fabric of Balkan society. The long-term stability provided by Ottoman rule allowed these changes to take root and flourish over generations. Economic and social incentives played a significant role in encouraging conversion to Islam in the Balkans. One of the most direct financial advantages was the differential tax system applied by the Ottoman state. Non-Muslims, known as dhimmis, faced higher taxes compared to their Muslim counterparts. A prominent example of this was the jizya tax, a per capita levy imposed on adult non-Muslim males. While not solely punitive, its existence created a strong financial incentive for individuals and families to convert. This economic pressure could be a powerful motivator, especially for those struggling financially. Beyond taxation, conversion opened doors to substantial opportunities for advancement within the Ottoman system. Muslims were eligible for government positions, including administrative roles in the provincial bureaucracy. This access to power and influence was a compelling draw for ambitious individuals. Military roles, particularly in the elite Janissary Corps, were also primarily reserved for Muslims. Conversion could lead to a prestigious career path, offering social mobility and economic security. Participation in trade and commerce also became more accessible and often more profitable for Muslims, who were integrated into broader imperial networks. Social integration was another powerful incentive. Converting to Islam facilitated integration into the ruling class and the broader Ottoman society. This meant access to patronage, networks, and a higher social standing that might otherwise be unattainable. For many, conversion was a pragmatic step towards improving their family's status and future prospects. Beyond political and economic factors, the religious and spiritual appeal of Islam itself contributed to its spread. The influence of Sufi orders was particularly significant in attracting converts. These mystical brotherhoods emphasized personal experience, emotional devotion, and direct communion with God, which resonated deeply with many. Sufi dervishes often traveled with Ottoman armies, establishing lodges in newly conquered territories. Their inclusive approach and emphasis on spiritual guidance rather than strict dogma made Islam accessible to diverse populations. They often incorporated local customs and beliefs, easing the transition for new adherents. A notable example is the Bektashi order, which gained considerable traction, especially in Albania. The Bektashis, with their syncretic practices and emphasis on tolerance, appealed to many who found traditional religious institutions rigid. Their widespread presence helped to embed Islam within the cultural fabric of the region. Furthermore, some Balkan populations held pre-existing beliefs that made them more receptive to certain aspects of Islam. For instance, the Bogomils in Bosnia were a dualist Christian sect, often persecuted by both Catholic and Orthodox churches. Their unorthodox views and marginalized status made them potentially more open to new spiritual ideas. The monotheistic simplicity of Islam, its emphasis on social justice, and its clear theological framework also held appeal for some. In regions where Christian denominations were often in conflict, the unified message of Islam could offer a sense of stability and clarity. These spiritual dimensions, combined with other factors, played a crucial role in the conversion process. The nature of conversion in the Balkans was predominantly a gradual and voluntary process. It rarely involved widespread forced conversions or massacres, especially in the initial stages of Ottoman rule. Instead, Islamization typically spanned generations, with families and communities slowly adopting the new faith over time. The pace and extent of Islamization varied significantly across different Balkan regions. Bosnia, for example, witnessed a relatively rapid conversion rate compared to other areas. By 1600, a Muslim majority had emerged, with approximately two-thirds of the population identifying as Muslim. In Bosnia, native Christian populations, including the aforementioned Bogomils, converted in large numbers. This rapid shift is often attributed to a combination of factors, including the strong presence of Sufi orders, economic incentives, and the perceived protection offered by the Ottoman state. The existing religious landscape, marked by internal divisions, also played a role. Albania also experienced high conversion rates, with Islam becoming the dominant religion over several centuries. Many elites converted first, seeking to maintain their status and influence within the new political order. Ottoman policies, coupled with a degree of religious freedom and the pervasive influence of Sufi orders, contributed to this widespread adoption. The mountainous terrain and decentralized nature of Albanian society also allowed for diverse local expressions of Islam to flourish. In contrast, regions like Bulgaria and Serbia saw Christianity remain the dominant religion. Despite centuries of Ottoman rule, the majority populations in these areas largely retained their Orthodox Christian faith. However, significant Muslim communities did develop in these regions, particularly in urban centers and strategic locations. These communities often consisted of Ottoman officials, soldiers, and settlers, as well as local converts. The Islamization of the Balkans was ultimately shaped by a nuanced and localized dynamic. It was a complex interplay of political power, where the Ottoman state provided the overarching framework. Economic incentives offered tangible benefits, influencing individual and communal decisions. Social dynamics facilitated integration and upward mobility for those who converted. Finally, the religious appeal of Islam, often mediated through Sufi orders, resonated deeply with many seeking spiritual fulfillment or a new identity. This multifaceted legacy continues to shape the cultural and historical identity of the Balkan region today.